ask you for feasibility study, detailed design, concept design, or electrical design, or M&E design, planning phase. So all these products are individual products at our website.
Okay.
Clients can just pick one product, feasibility study, but they get to speak with an expert rather than their relatives, and
Okay.
really get something out of the discussion or meeting. So, and in this case, if it is residential or commercial, when you change the price will also change, and likewise. Okay.
Okay.
And at every project, in this product, what clients will get, it is mentioned. So up to 10 hours of work by the consultant on bill and quantities, including special contract provision, cost control, and insurance. So they will basically advise a bill of quantities and cost profile in PDF format,
Mm-hmm.
help client with selection, approval of methods, material, finishes, description. So, and half an hour remote discussion to summarize the output. And nothing else.
Okay.
This is what they take as a Bible and then go to execute the project.
Yes.
This will vary project wise, this will vary how consultant work. We are not controlling
Mm-hmm.
what you guys deliver, the contents of it, because that will vary from project to project. Likewise, there is another product, project oversight. So same, it will have some structure. So in this case, we are saying a half an hour remote meeting, first of all, to understand the project,
Okay.
then 4 to 8 site visits of 1 hour
Mm-hmm.
each, depending upon the size of project. A report in PDF format following each site visit, covering site progress, quality, conformity of the work to specification, and any contractor's feedback. So this is a product. So if someone has a small project,
Okay.
they can select it, and this is the price that
Hmm.
the consultant will get, and
Okay.
this is what they need to deliver.
Acha.
So I have started from a product which is very uh, which is what we were talking about, and that is why it might look a bit strange. Now I'm just going to show you a very quick insight that how this site works. So people come and say they start a project, whether it is a residential or commercial space, they hit next, they pick up an area, whatever area they want to pick. They understand the nature of their job, whether it is a new building, extension, conversion, retrofit, whatever. So if we go for new building, and this we are not intimidating people, we are telling them how much it is going to cost.
Yeah. Yeah.
So residential 300 square meter building, these are all the steps that are required.
Okay.
What we think they require at the least have been pre-selected: feasibility study, preparation and brief, concept design, and detailed design. With this, they can make a building warrant, planning approval or building plan approval application. And this is where the first part of the project ends. If they don't have a survey, they will have to select that. If they need mechanical design, they add it. They add structural design, they add electrical design, whatever they want to add at whatever stage. This is how they build their quotation, and this is what our sellers. So what you see here and here are two different numbers. This is Council of Architecture fee structure, and this is what we are doing. So we are basically 50% cheaper than what is prescribed by Council of Architecture or professional norms, right?
Okay.
Because we don't require offices, because we will not employ people, because any consultant and everyone is working from their own internet and on their own laptop. They will not have marketing expense, electricity, offices, all those big expenses, which is why we think that this is the money that goes directly to the person who's doing the job.
Yeah.
And we as a platform, we keep 15% of commission.
Okay.
So right now we have many projects which are already people are working on,
Mm-hmm.
and And these are not leads, these are not inquiries. We are not asking you to pay us anything.
Okay.
So these are projects which have been published and they are ongoing projects.
Uh-huh.
So if we look at this one, residential extension, or I think this is the one which we thought that we need structural advice. So in on this project, I think this is what Pallavi may have mentioned to Mr. Day.
Mm-hmm.
So I have given a brief requirement that what they are looking for. So on this project, this is existing building. They have made a basement here. They want to construct additional 4 rooms, and they are not sure if the building is strong enough.
Mm-hmm.
They want to uh, expand the property. So advice in our case, in ArchiPal's deliverables, how we are delivering this value is you have a drawing, you explain that drawing, we convert it into a video, and then video itself is a product which client receives.
Mm-hmm.
उसमें आपने पहले ही explain कर रखा होगा, which is easy to understand for contractor, easy to understand for client's wife or other partner, easy to understand for everyone, and no information will be lost. So that is how we have been working so far. So uh, we will of course have 1 or 2 drawings depending upon what is required, but otherwise it is the understanding that we will deliver, that how it will be executed. You can see there are some columns here already, external columns. I don't know if they are good enough, but if they are not good enough, then these columns could be rebuilt to support the structure upstairs,
Mm-hmm.
and then maybe have 1 or 2 column inside. So this is at a feasibility stage. So we have written it as a feasibility stage. Architects and engineers with strong structural background, experience of retrofit remodeling project. This is a requirement, and we are looking for consultants.
Okay.
Okay.
Likewise, uh, some projects require M&E consultants. Some projects require electrical drawings. Some projects require full projects. So we will do the marketing. We will find the people. They will first pay for the job, and then those jobs are executed by professionals. That is the whole project.
Okay. I think this is very well organized and it's a great idea. And
Thank you.
yes, I have gone through the website also. Still have to explore it better.
Yes, and any typos or